kids, welcome back. Today we are in downtown Calgary at the same spot I shot the Christmas light video. But what I want to show you today is a festival called Chinook Blast. It's a outdoor, early February, end of January festival that has interactive light displays, bands, a bunch of different stuff. We're just going to walk around with a camera today. I might set up the tripod, I'm not sure, because as the light gets darker, obviously, it's going to be more challenging to do photos tonight. So let's just walk around, see what we can find. Let's get the camera out. There's a shot I see already. We got dragons. I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna slap you onto this camera here. That way you can see what I see. And I'll try to talk through the shot. We're gonna do a shot of this bad boy right here. So let's see what we can do here. I'm gonna go super tight on this guy because I wanna get the flame shooting out of him. I'm gonna focus on the eye, but I'm gonna be super tight to try to get all the flameage that we can do that. So my ISO is gonna be 800, 250 of a second, 3.5. I'm gonna wait for the flame to burst. My focal point will be the eye, like I said earlier. Get a little tighter. Maybe I'll go vertical with this shot. Let's see what that looks like. We got dragons, guys. This is
Ian.
Ian from
True North Absurdities.
True North Absurdities. Follow them on Facebook and Instagram. They built dragons. What do we got?
This is the notorious BAD, or lovingly referred to as Biggie, and it's our gift to the world. There's a button on the tail, so everybody's welcome to come and actually make the fire themselves, and it's a hit. So,
awesome.
Yeah,
it's badass. So since there's nobody here, I'm gonna try, we'll go 1/80th handheld, 3.5, go a little wider. Focus in on the bear. And I like the purple, so we'll try to get the purple here. I like to get the restaurant Teatro in the background as well. Tasty. If I come over to this side, so if I go vertical, I might be able to get the Calgary Tower in the shot as well. Let's just keep walking around. So I'm just gonna chill out on the other side of this light tunnel. Right now it's just doing a single light display, but we're gonna go to the other side. Hopefully it'll transition into that red that it was doing earlier, and we'll get a shot of that. Let's get the ISO. I want to get some good light bleed into here. Here we go. So 1,080th of a second, 3.5. And we'll try to find a composition. I'm going to get down low. Puppies! Oh, you guys are good. By all means, go. Everybody's so nice, they want to stop and not get in the shot, but I kind of want them in the shot. Just turned red and orange. Really want a red shot. Purple's nice too. Blue. There we go, we got it in red. I feel like I'm in a 1960s Star Trek episode. Where's Spock when you need him? So there is one shot I want to get. I don't know if I mentioned it in the intro or not, but it's down Stephen Avenue Mall. So we're gonna go there now because I don't know how the crowds are gonna be tonight. It might be super busy, and I definitely want to set up a tripod for that shot. If I can get there now, I have to worry about people getting pissed at me for setting up a tripod in their way. So let's start walking over there now, see what we can find. One of the things I have to get used to, and I'm trying desperately to get used to, is talking to a camera in front of strangers that you don't know. When I'm out in the mountains, it's no big deal because there's nobody around me. But when you're in a city of 1.5 million people and you're at a festival, there's people everywhere. So it's a little weird. I'd like to get those lights there reflecting off a puddle here. So I'll have to get down low, but that's kind of the concept I'm going for. So hopefully a puddle like that is what we'll get down here. And another thing, way down at the end here, there's really cool, big, tall metal statues that are designed to help cut the wind downtown. So we're gonna try to get those in a shot as well. So to give you an idea of what I'm thinking of is using a reflection to get the lights in the reflection down low. But I'd like to get a little closer down. There's this 4 white ball setup, and there's a puddle in front. So that's kind of where I'm gonna try to shoot. Fingers crossed. Okay, so let me show you what I got. So that's what we got going on. Camera is upside down, so I can get that reflection in the bottom of the picture and the wide angle of the street. 2-second timer is set. We'll pop the shot. What I'd like to get is somebody walking past like that, but she's wearing a skirt, and I don't want to shoot somebody with a skirt on. We've got somebody walking past right now. I'm gonna tilt you up so you can see and pop the shot. Hey, that's right. Thanks, man.
Hi, this is Brian, aka Wow. This is.
Hi, I'm Steph, aka Steph T.
We just met Photo Hutch on the street here at Stevens Ave on 8th Ave, and we caught him actually watching this installation here on this building. So what do you think of that so far?
And for some reason, right then, my GoPro decided to freeze. Don't know what happened. Ugh, frustrating. But talking with Brian and Steph, it turns out that Steph was the artist that created the video on the wall of the Bank of Montreal that I was actually photographing at that time. I'm going to put a link to their Instagram and to Steph's YouTube channel in the description down below. Give them a follow. We finally made our destination. That's what I want to shoot. I love the purple. I love the blue leading lines to it. So I got the camera on the tripod. That means I can actually decrease my ISO to 100, increase my shutter speed so I don't get all that grainy stuff. We're gonna try to get purple lights here as they transition. I love these leading lines going into the shot. Let's see what we can do. I'm gonna put you back on the camera here. Okay, so we're almost there. My focal point is right there. That's my focal point right there. We're just gonna wait for that purpley blue because I like that purpley blue light. That's just the kind of person I am. I'm gonna underexpose this a little bit. So I'm gonna go with 1/8 of a second just to add more tone and color to the shot and see what we can do in post. There we go. Perfect. Let's move on. So let's walk back towards the main area there at Olympic Plaza. Got the camera handheld now, and let's just see what we can do. Definitely gonna have to increase the ISO, probably 1600, maybe even to 3200, because it is so dark here right now. And that way I can keep the shutter speed in that area where I still can freeze some action and see what we can find. Chinook Blast, it's awesome. The things I do for photography. Ice, and I'm gonna go in front of the stage to try to get a picture of the band without breaking my neck. I have been known to be at cuts in my life, broken hand, a ruptured eye. Wish me luck. I'm not gonna cut this shot, so if I fall, we're keeping it all in a single shot. So here we go. So, that's where we're going. Let's go see what we can find. We're gonna watch out for skaters. We're watching out for skaters, and I want to go where these people are standing, and I want to get dead center so I can take the shot. There we go. 1/25th of a second, 2.8. And we're going to get close. Okay, I didn't break my neck. Woohoo! So today wasn't about technically showing you all the little intricacies and composition and camera settings. I just wanted to get out and document this awesome event, Chinook Blast in Calgary. Check it out. In the meantime and in between time, stay healthy, stay safe. I'll catch you next time, guys.
And as always, guys, please rock the subscribe button and ring the bells for notifications. We'll check you next time.